So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit image brightness here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up Microsoft Word, then go to the top left here. In between draw and home, it says insert, press on that. Then go to where it says pictures right here. And for demonstration purposes, I'm going to go to where it says online pictures and select a random one. For example, so if we wanted to use a photo right here of, let's just use an airplane for demonstration. We'll use this airplane right here, press on insert. Just like that, once that is done, I press on your image right here that you're hoping to edits the image brightness for, then go to the top to where it says color right here. Top left, press on color, go to the drop down. So where it says color saturation right here, there's all this kind of stuff. You can go to corrections. Actually, my apologies, go to corrections right here. So go to the sun icon and where it says brightness slash contrast. If you want to adjust the brightness, you can go ahead and view these options right here. If you want to make it super bright, super contrast, go ahead and press on this right there. There you go. If you want to make it less, you can press on one of the less options to kind of play around with it that way. So pretty straightforward, super simple. This is how to edit image brightness here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.